Hi everybody, in this video I want to show you how to replace ignition for Volkswagen Beetle 1974 by removing the steering wheel. So we're not gonna remove, I already removed the screws from the steering wheel so we can save time. You simply unscrew all 6 screws on the steering wheel this way. And the steering wheel comes out. You can put it on side for now. Okay, we can see another 3 screws inside. You can simply unscrew them this way. Three screws unscrewed, and the nut as well. You can unscrew it simply. And pull it out this way. So here is our ignition right here. We are going to remove it. So some of the models, they don't have the metal that holding the steering wheel. Our model has it, so we have 2 options to remove it. Sometimes it's too easy to remove it by using a simple screwdriver. If it's not gonna work, we have to use the puller depressor. Let's try the screwdriver first. We can just simply pull it out a little bit. Make some tension from all the sides. This way. Okay, looks like it's coming out. There you go. Put it on side. And as you can see, there are 4 small screws right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We need to unscrew them using a regular screwdriver. 1, 2, and 4. Okay, unscrew like this. Okay, all the assembly comes out. We don't need to pull it all the way, we can leave it like this. All we need to do to pull out this plastic that covers the ignition, a little one, just pull it out this way. It's too hard to take a video. Okay, this way. And as you can see, there is a metal piece right here. Just pull it out this way. Just simply pull it out like this. As you can see, there is a small hole right here inside, and there is a spring that we can depress and simply pull out the ignition. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it takes time. Let's see how it works. You can feel it, simply push it simply push it and hold the ignition, comes out. There you go. All we need to do now, just have the new ignition right here. So this is the springy part. This is what holds the ignition inside of the house here. When you depress it, you can just pull it out. We just take new ignition and simply push it in. Simply push it in. Okay. There we go. Now we have new ignition installed. We can turn it on, start the car, and we need to put the steering wheel back the same way we pull it out. I'm not gonna show how to put the ignition back, it's the same process. We just simply put the metal piece, let's say metal cover back. Okay, we're gonna put this here. Metal piece back. By simply putting in and just push it. That's it. And put it back. Now we need to put the plastic back. I'm not gonna show how to put everything back. It's just the same 4 screws right here and the steering wheel. And so thank you for watching. That was video about how to replace the ignition for Volkswagen Beetle 1974. Thank you for watching.